Whoa! Not again! Classic Milo! I got this. Maybe?
Milo, I said stay out of trouble!
It wasn't me, okay? Maybe it was me.
Let's make it fun instead of fighting it. Really? Yay! I'm gonna get you, Milo!
Not if Max helps me.
Gotcha.
Mimi! That's cheating!
Good teamwork, everyone!
Best backyard adventure ever.
Thanks for joining our adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time!